Welcome to today's assembly. Today's assembly is all about Year 11 and what Year 11 entails. Where do you want to be this time next year? That is one question we ask each and every one of our Year 11s when they arrive to us. It gives them focus, it gives them something to work towards, and it gives purpose behind all of the hard work and dedicated hours that you'll put forward into your further education. The community. So as you know, when you're in Year 11, you will be known as the Arch community, but you are still part of the Aquila, Phoenix and Orion community. They will be the support that they have been for the past 4 years, and they will be there to help and guide you through the year. But you'll get the additional bonus of the Archer team who will be there challenging you as part of the Year 11 process. The Year 11 team. That entails myself, Head of Year 11, and Miss Allen as your fantastic learning leader. We will both be challenging you academically. We'll be helping you on those troublesome subjects that you find really difficult, to helping you to work towards those grades that you want to achieve. Also, your fantastic set of teachers. Your teachers will go above and beyond and do anything they possibly can to help and support you. So any issues that you have, they will be there. What does a Year 11 entail? So normal lessons, as you know, you'll have your continued 5 lessons a day. Kent Choices for You. You might be thinking, what is this? The Kent Choices for You process is what every Year 11 goes through. So they have to apply through the Kent Choices for You website, whether you choose to decide to stay with us at the sixth form, or whether you decide to go to a college, or whether you decide to do an apprenticeship. You will go through the Kent Choices for You process and apply for the courses that you want to do so. Interventions. Okay, these are additional support and lessons time that will fit into your day to support you on maybe a specific topic area within a subject you're struggling in, but they will be there as an extra benefit to you. Period X, again, is additional time after school where you'll get support from each and every one of your teachers, focusing on specific revision techniques, on particular aspects or modules, and again, another additional time that you will have to work towards your final grade. Revision and independent learning. I'm hoping that lots of you have been doing lots of independent learning over the past few weeks or months, but this is crucial as a Year 11. You need to make sure that what you are learning in lessons you are able to apply to the exam questions, and this will come by doing revision and independent learning at home. And finally, the holiday workshops. These are also set aside in addition to your normal school day, but these will be during the half terms and holidays. And what these will do is these will allow, again, teachers to focus on specific topic areas or subjects that you may well be struggling in. Finally, the most important thing, the benefits of being Year 11. You are the top of the school. You have a bespoke team, as I said, myself and Miss Allen. We are here to help you in addition to what the communities already do with you. We are here to help with any concerns that you have academically and to help challenge and make the progress that you want to achieve to get to where you want to next year. Additional support from your teachers, as I've already said, they will go above and beyond to help you. So please make sure that you use them. Senior ambassador roles. Many of you are ambassadors already in lower years, and senior ambassadors are the top of the ambassador body. So it's where we all aim to be. So some of you will be looking at the lead roles of the student ambassador team. A change of tie. You have your own identity. You have your own lovely blue tie with stripes on. Okay, and this makes you slightly unique to the remainder of the school. Weekly assemblies where you'll have certificates. As a team, we love to praise you, and each week we'll give out a minimum of 2 certificates for our weekly tutor star, and our above and beyonds. And those awards come from not only what you do in school, but what you do out of school. We love to praise our Year 11s. For all of the hard work and dedication to interventions and Period X, we also reward you with cookies, donuts, hot drinks, additional resources. We like to praise you for all your hard work and dedication to your studies. And finally, you will have your continued attendance rewards given by Mrs. Wheeler, your pizza parties at the end of each term. We hope today has been insightful for you to understand exactly what goes on as a Year 11 student and what the expectations of you are. We look forward to seeing you soon.
So what does Year 11 actually look like? Well, Year 11 is actually the culmination of 11 years of education that you guys have been in. You have been studying this for your whole life, pretty much. That's what it feels like anyway. And it's all about bringing that together. But it is actually, weirdly, the first stepping stone in what will be your future life. So what will Year 11 be doing? Other than the things that Miss Cat has already told you about with the period X, etc., you will be finishing off courses during your Year 11 time. You'll be finishing off your coursework during that time as well. You'll be working towards your final goal. And you'll be working with us as a team and with Miss Seymour as the careers advisor to help you choose what you're going to do and what it is you need to achieve through Year 11 to get there. So, you guys as students have expectations on us as your teachers. And we have expectations on you, as well as the normal expectations such as come in wearing your uniform, come in every day. We also have certain other expectations about you and your personality that we need you to fulfil in order to be successful during your time with us in Year 11. So some of the things we need you to have is self-determination. That's a willingness to work really, really hard. We need you to know that you're working towards your end goal and to not give up on that. We need you to show a certain amount of determination as well, and support and dedication. You have a fantastic team of adults and staff around you that will work extremely hard for you and will show utter dedication to you and your studies, particularly in Year 11. Remember, everything is achievable as long as you have the correct attitude and mindset, and you certainly need to show that when you're in Year 11.